All right, so your kid's film is done and you're ready to submit to FilmFreeway.com. You're going to want to do that as the parent for age restriction reasons and legal reasons and payment reasons. Bottom line is, parent signs up for the kid, so follow along with me and we'll get you set up. Navigate yourself to FilmFreeway.com and then click on the sign up button. And then you can choose to sign up with Google or sign up with an email. We'll go ahead and sign up with an email. Enter the information. And then you're going to want to select this radio button that says, I want to submit my work or get tickets to festivals. And then you can sign up with your email. So after we've signed up, we're going to go ahead and add a project. We select the project type, the project title, and then whatever synopsis your child has written. And if you have a website, Twitter account, or Facebook or Instagram attached to it. Next is the submitter information. We add in your demographics here. And then next is the credits. This is where you add your child's name. Specifications is the next area. And then the run time. This one is 1 minute and 13 seconds. The completion date was today. And you fill out all of this information. Aspect ratio is if it's a landscape, which we hopefully are shooting 16:9. And then for many of you, you'll choose yes for a student project. In this case, it was not. It was made for fun. After that, we don't need to do the screening or awards. You'll be submitting it to the film festival shortly, and you just simply save your project at this point. And your project has been created. We can upload the file itself or a link to the project file, and then we can browse for the Arts Hub Film Festival or other festivals. Here we're going to look at uploading the file. We come to the Add Online screener. We simply go Choose File and navigate to the file. And then your video is processing, and we can browse festivals at this point and search for Arts Hub Kids Film Festival. Pops right up. And here's where we can submit or get tickets. Please join me in the next video to see how to do this.